This is the plan. We have this box, and Liz went out and got 5 items. I have no idea what the items are. And she's gonna put them in here. Oh, I need a blindfold.
Yeah.
And she's gonna blindfold me, and I'm gonna have to reach my arm over this from the other side. And remember, I can't see. So the camera's gonna be in a place where you guys can see, and you can see where my arm is at, but I can't see what's going on, and I can't see what I'm touching. So, yeah. I'm thinking that maybe right here would be a good spot. We move this stuff over. This thing's dead, or about to die. Here, maybe it'll keep charging a little at least. We have like enough charge where we're probably gonna die like right when the stream's ending. Not the phone, but oh yeah, this isn't even charging. You hoping items a mousetrap? Dude. God damn. Alright, so what do you guys think of this? I can be over here, and I'm gonna be blindfolded. So imagine I'm just standing right here where this chair is. There's something in there, and I'm standing right here blindfolded, sticking my arm in. What do you think, hun?
Let me see. You might have to bend this. Oh, wait.
I taped this.
Can you reach over all the way in?
Yeah.
Like that? Okay.
Is that good, you think?
Yeah, you'll be blindfolded so you can't see anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm really nervous for this.
Okay. I need you. Can I like show everything that I have, or should I just wait to show it one at a time in there?
Yeah, well, yeah, I think you should show them.
Okay. I need you to go somewhere first then.
Okay.
So I can.
I'll go downstairs.
Well, wait.
Oh, wait, because I can see the screen downstairs.
We'll go
Oh.
upstairs.
All right.
Just go in the room.
Okay.
Okay, let me
You gotta be quiet.
pull up chat here. Okay. So I need to show you a few things. Oh, I forgot to grab one thing here. Okay. So I have these containers. I'm gonna put some, this is gonna be one item. Okay. I don't know if I should use this one. This one's like, you can tell it's fake. This one feels a little more like gritty. I don't know. Do you think I should just keep this one? Or use this one too? I'll show you what else I have. Okay. Okay. So mix. Okay. Then The other thing I'm gonna have him stick his hand into is this. I have little guys in there. I don't know if you can see them. Wait, come on, little guys. There they are. So I'm gonna have him stick his hand all the way in, okay?
Mom, I'm done.
Okay, shh. Don't say anything about this, okay? Okay. So he's gonna feel that. The other one, I need to figure out what to do with these guys. Can you guys see what that is? So so I need to, he's gonna stick his hand in there, but should I put them in a different container or keep them in here? Let me see. Oh, do you have tuna dip your panties in them and have them do that for, oh my God. But like, he has to, it's something he has to forsaken with the dipping the panties in there. I don't know how to, like, is he supposed to just smell it or feel around for it? Let me see. I don't know. Keep them in there, probably in there.
Mom?
Or if you have like a small microwave Pyrex or something like that.
Mom, just keep them in there.
I have this. I don't have anything smaller that's plastic. I only have like glass ones. You think I should put them in here?
They like, but then you might get a lot of dirt in there.
That's okay. I could always throw this away. This was like $1. I don't know.
So just keep them in there.
Doesn't have to pinch his hand shut. That way he doesn't. Yeah. Oh my God, you totally have to do that, Popeye. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in there, okay? And there are some dead ones in there, like the ones that are like black or dead. So I got like half off the price. They weren't that expensive at all. Okay, so there they are. And they're moving around. And they're actually kept in like a refrigerator. I didn't know that. So that they're like half alive or something. Okay. That okay right there? All right. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3. Let me go grab the other one that was, it's just like a Christmas decoration. Ben, can you do me a favor? Actually, wait. I'm gonna go grab something. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay, so the other items, oh, let me see. He's eating, no. Okay, so the other items were just like around the house that I can use for him to touch. It was like this. This little guy. He might think it's something like real if he touches like the top of his head or something. Oops. Here. But I need to figure out where to put this stuff. I guess maybe I should blindfold him before he comes down here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put that in there. We're gonna put that in there.
Wait, in where?
Do you have any?
Where?
Cold. Could put them in water with some dog food or something. I don't have any cold hot dogs. Let me think. Oh wait, use the warm cup and put mustard or ketchup in it. And then what do? Do I just have him stick his hand in it? Mayo? Okay, so I'll put mayo in here as one. In here.
What do you need mayo for?
Just so Daddy could stick his finger in there. And it'll feel weird. Oops. You don't want to smell them?
No.
Okay, any other ideas? I have this. These guys. This. This guy. Oh, this guy too. These little guys. We have to have him like keep his hand in there for a little so he can actually like feel them. Melt chocolate in a. We don't have any more diapers for a second. Yeah, the kids haven't had diapers for a long time now.
Well, why is there still guys putting there?
I didn't finish them, that's why. But yeah, we'll make sure he rolls up his sleeve. Trying to look at anything else we may have. No. Okay. All right, I think I'm gonna go blindfold him now, and I'll have him come down blindfolded. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, so I blindfolded him, so you're gonna come this way towards the kitchen table.
Wait, where am I right now? Oh, I'm at the
Passing
fridge?
by the fridge.
Holy shit, I thought we were over by the stairs still.
Okay, the box is over here. You can touch it.
Okay,
So stand next to it like you were supposed to.
right here?
Yeah. Okay, so where should I place the camera? I think. Or maybe I'll.
Well, you should just hold it.
Okay, so you can't see anything though, right?
I can see like my nose. I can see like my mustache, and that's it.
Okay.
Can't see anything else.
Okay. Roll up your sleeves all the way up.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
For
Just roll them all the way up.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Just let me put my phone right here.
So this is the first of 5 items.
Yeah. So which one should I do first?
I can't get bit, right?
No, you'll be fine.
On any of them?
Over here.
Hun?
You'll be fine. Okay, you can stick your arm in and tell me what you think it is. It's not in the box. It's behind the box.
Oh shit.
Just be
Wait,
careful. Yeah. Stick your arm in. Just tell me what you think. We think it is.
Oh shit.
Be careful.
Wait, is it dangerous?
It can be.
Are you serious?
Like, not seriously dangerous, but be careful.
Oh god, what the fuck is
Chat
that?
said it might bite you.
Are you serious?
Wait, is the TTS thing working? Is the speaker still working? Yeah?
I think.
Okay.
Make sure it's on. Did they do it or what?
No, not yet. Hold on.
It should be working.
I think someone just did it. Hang on.
It might have turned off from not turning on in a while. Ready?
Yeah.
Mrs. Alpha, tarantulas can be poisonous.
Huh? Nucky, you didn't get a tarantula, did you?
I can't say anything. Just come on.
Oh my god. That's not a...
You can not
that's
wear it until we
dangerous,
get to the kitchen. Just when we get towards the
Are
kitchen, put it back
tarantulas
on.
poisonous or no?
I can't say anything.
I don't think they're poisonous.
I can't say
But I don't want to
anything.
get bit by one. And you wouldn't have got one.
I can't say anything.
Oh my
Stop.
god.
All right, put it on.
Well, and if you got one, wouldn't it... How would it... You would have had to, like, feed it and stuff. There's no way it's a tarantula. There's no way.
You got it on good? Ben, go help Daddy.
Okay.
Help him up here. Okay. All right, so that's
I
on.
can see down through the bottom a little.
Here.
Mom,
All right, good.
I don't
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. Take Daddy over there, baby. To the table. Okay. This hand, here's the box, okay?
Okay.
Just don't try to peek in.
Is it alive at all?
I can't tell you. You have to kind of try to guess what it is.
Oh man, this sucks.
Let me see. Now he is going to be scared as fuck. I bet they are. Does anyone know? Should
Can I wear a glove?
sure you? Okay. No.
So it's not dangerous at all.
I can't say. Just try. Just tell me what you might
God.
think it might be.
Right they are. You should take him straight to hospital.
What? What do you mean? How deep is this box? Oh my god. Oh my god, what the fuck? I swear to fuck, it just moved.
Ben's over here.
You guys
Or stay.
won't touch it.
No, Ben's over here.
I'm gonna try this side instead.
Okay.
You're not grabbing in there.
No.
Did Ben?
No, he's over here.
But he did?
No, Ben's next to me. He's fine.
Oh god, what is that? There's something in there. There's actually a thing there's something in there. You're doing it.
I'm not. It's just funny to watch.
There's something moving inside there. I know you're doing something.
I'm not.
I can't touch it.
You'll be fine. I mean, like, you'll be fine.
Is this the most dangerous one?
I can't say.
Why is the thing moving?
What do you
though?
think it is? What do you think it could
I think
be?
it's some sort of animal.
Like what?
I don't know. Or you're messing with me, or Ben's messing with me.
Okay, me.
Bench.
There's something moving in there. I fucking heard it, the thing. You're doing it. You have to
No.
be. There's an actual living thing in there.
No.
What if it escaped? Oh god. I can't touch it. I can't touch it.
All right. Do you want to move on to the next item?
No.
Okay. Don't peek.
I'm not peeking. I can't see anything except my mustache. I just felt your arm.
No.
I felt your arm.
No, that was Ben.
I freaking knew it.
It's Ben.
I knew you guys were doing that. Now I'm not scared.
Careful.
Why?
What do you think it is, or what do you think it could be?
An Easter basket.
What?
Easter basket.
Okay, you're not supposed to take it off though, right?
Oh, okay.
Like the blindfold. I'm gonna move on to the next item.
Okay. Was I right?
You were right.
It's an Easter basket?
Not a basket, but similar.
I felt the things on the top.
That was pretty funny
I freaking knew you guys were doing that. Dang. I thought there was something in there. How is he so quiet? Where even is he?
He's around.
Ben? Oh. What are you doing, Ben?
I'm just standing right here.
You didn't do anything else, Ben?
Okay.
No.
Why are you lying?
Okay, I'm gonna get the next one ready.
Do I just stay right here? Why did I have to roll my sleeves up?
Okay, go ahead. Jack, hold on.
Oh shit.
You're touching the box.
Oh, am I? Why is it oh. Oh my god. Shit. Oh god. It's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Well, you haven't even. You have to guess what's inside. You have to guess what's inside of the containers.
It's the same thing as it was, but it's not in the. It's in the side of this thing.
Yeah, I mean, you have to, just like you put your hand inside of the other one.
God, fuck. Oh my god. What?
Nothing.
This one's empty. empty.
No.
Oh God. What the fuck? Are those crickets? Are those bugs?
You have to guess.
What? Are they dead?
Oh my god. You're too far forward. You have to.
They're bugs. Those are bugs. They were squishy and they had legs. Is it bugs? Huh?
You guessed that one.
Right?
You guessed it.
Oh my god, why are they're dead?
I can't. No, they're actually alive. You can't look though. Not yet.
Is my hand okay?
Your head's fine.
I really don't like this.
All
I'll
right.
smack my wiener.
Which one's next? Which one, chat, should be next?
Oh, this is freaking terrifying.
This one or he sat down. Okay.
So that was the worst one, you think?
I can't see anything. All right, next.
I thought you loved me.
Come on.
Ben, what are you doing, Ben?
He's just watching.
I don't want him to smack me in my nuts.
He's not.
He does that kind of stuff to me. You won't hit me in the nuts, right, Ben?
Nah.
Promise?
Yeah, bro.
Holy shit, this box is big.
Ben, do it. It says it's okay.
Where the hell am I?
Your hand's not even in the box.
Oh my god. I was like, how deep does this thing go? Holy shit. It's cold. Oh, and it's sticky. Why is that? Nucky.
Huh?
Why is that like that? Is it supposed to be sticky on the outside?
Some things excrete sticky stuff.
Your pussy's in here? Oh, God, I touched it! Oh my god. It's ketchup. It's ranch. It's ketchup or ranch or something. Mustard. Right?
He guessed.
I got it?
You're close.
Mustard.
Close.
Mayo.
Yes.
Oh my god. I didn't mean to stick my thumb in there.
Here, let me get you. No, good. Here you go. Okay.
Oh yeah, let me just wipe it off my finger and I cannot see anything.
All right. Good job. Okay.
So I got 2 out of 3? Or I got 3. I got them
Yeah,
all
you got
right.
3. Yeah, so far.
Oh my god.
So, this one.
Ben, can you throw this out for me?
Yeah. Okay, dude.
Hey, alright, bud.
Bro!
All right.
Who's all in chat?
Hang on. Okay. We've got. I'm gonna step back a little.
2.
Okay, we have sub account, John, XP limit, Rhino, Timbre King, Slimzy, Dirty Monster, Gotham Hayton, and GYSGT Wolves. He said all of your friends are here. And Forsaken said Big Daddy.
What do you need, Jack?
Go talking to Mom.
Damn.
What do you need, Jack?
I'm not eating my orange.
Just leave it for now. You're fine. Okay. Next.
Is this one big or small, you think?
I like medium, I think.
Oh, God.
Ben, don't get too close to that. It might bite you and it will hurt you a lot more than Dad.
Oh, God, what the hell is that? Wait, that's the bottom. Oh, what the hell? Oh, shit, it's big. Wait, am I in the box? Am I in the box?
Yes.
Oh, no.
That was perfect.
Nucky!
What?
Why'd you do that? Noise. Okay.
Oh God.
That's
No,
boss.
hon.
I know.
Ben, why are you next to my wiener?
He's over here.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. What the fuck, man?
Smash ya.
God, this freaking sucks. I don't like doing this.
John, that's funny.
An stuffed animal? That's like a arm or a leg. That's a foot. Wait. Yeah, foot. Or a hand. Maybe a hand. Yeah, that's a doll. It's a doll. And
Any idea what else?
it doesn't have nuts. It doesn't have legs. A Beanie Baby? Monkey?
Will you? Sorry, I'm just reading the comments.
Oh, that's an eye. A Furby? Oh, why does it have such big eyes? Is that it? It's Yoda! It's Yoda!
Yeah.
You guessed it, Dad.
This is my Yoda from downstairs?
Yes.
Oh.
Ariam says this man is inappropriately fondling Baby Yoda. As Lindsay said, TOS, TOS, TOS. Officer the streamer right here.
Oh my God, this thing was scary as hell.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll take that.
What's
All right.
next?
You can't say. Okay, Ben.
Oh God. Is this the last one? Why did you just take the lid off of something?
No reason. You're up.
Hold on, everyone be quiet.
No. Ben, stand right here.
Shh. Well, it's making noise, isn't it?
What? I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh man, this is the worst one yet. Mrs. Alpha is devious.
Hello. No peeking.
I'm not. I'm trying to listen. I literally cannot see anything except like dark brown. And I can hardly even breathe out of my nose.
They say no listening.
Oh my
No
God.
listening. I don't know if we can play music.
Don't keep your hand in there too long.
What was that noise?
It's I'm moving the
Oh my God. Oh my God. I thought it made a noise like it jumped at me. What kind of bugs was the other one?
I don't know if I should tell you yet. I'll tell you when we're done.
Okay.
Trying to grab his phone. Yeah, we'll tell you after.
Oh my.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I like that one. All right, Nick.
Okay. Why is Ben like right here?
Ben, stand right here. Thank you.
Promise he won't hit me in the nuts.
He's not.
Oh my God, what is it? Oh God.
What do you think that is?
A jar?
Okay, so you have to stick your hand in there.
I'm not putting my hand inside there.
You have to. That's part of the,
Am I allowed to like knock it over or anything?
no.
I already have to put my hand inside the box.
Yeah,
So-
wait. You have to put your hand inside of
Oh my God, this is
the
fucking
containers.
stupid. Wait, containers? How
Well,
many
like,
are there?
no, I just meant like from the beginning. We've had like different
It's a
containers.
big jar for a reason.
Honey, promise
John.
you won't bite me.
No.
You promise.
Just try to find out what it is.
I heard it. I fucking just heard it moving around.
It's Ben. He's jumping around right here.
He's over here. I heard it on this side. Oh my
Yeah, just don't knock it over, please.
God. Whatever, I just put my hand next to it and it freaked out like it's scared.
Just,
You know what things do when they're scared? They bite.
oh my gosh. Don't be a booger.
God.
Your hand's not inside.
God. Build up the courage and miss the fucking hole.
Ariam says smells like bitch in here.
I don't give a shit right now. This is so scary. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't even fucking put my hand in here without.
He's stalling so much.
Hun, if I freak out and I knock it over, is it going to be a problem?
Yes, don't knock it over.
God,
Do
this
not
is
knock it over.
screwed up.
Okay. Small bowel syndrome.
I'm in. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it on the bottom of it?
Yeah.
These nuts. Got it. Got it.
I love that one.
Ben. Oh my god, how fucking deep is this jar? I'm in it, right?
You have to go lower.
Oh my god.
Let me do something really quick.
No.
I'm just gonna turn it.
Then if he doesn't
There.
stick his hand
There's
down-
a label. There is a label in the way, that's all. Okay. Oh, that there's a
What?
TTS didn't like go through, I think.
His name is John C.
Crap. If the TTS was during the sound, then it overlapped because I heard that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. We'll have to.
God, it sucks. It's in.
The label said to find.
There's nothing in here.
No,
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
you're not supposed to knock it over.
Did it fall out?
God.
Did it fall out?
No. No, we're good. We're good.
I don't. Okay, a lizard? A lizard. It's a lizard?
No.
Did I hurt him?
No.
A cricket?
You guessed it.
A lizard?
No.
A cricket?
Yes. A lizard.
Holy shit. I'm gonna fucking pass out.
My belly hurts.
Oh my god. Can I take it?
I'm cracking up about that too, Ariam. Did I hurt him?
Can I crack it?
Sorry.
Can
Yeah.
I take it?
Yes.
Oh my god!
Did the little one thing that you were told?
They're
not to do?
little.
Then give him a punch.
How did I stick my finger? I touched so many pieces in there.
They all were getting away from you. They were getting away from you. They were moving away.
Oh my god.
This man's afraid of crickets.
I didn't know what was in there. Oh, it sucks having another thing you gotta stick your hand in.
Apple
Okay,
was
what was the
really
other
standing
stuff?
there
Let me
like
see.
a kid who had to tell his mommy from down. Huh? It was this, Yoda, this, mealworms that are alive.
Oh my
And
god,
you
honey.
touched.
Oh my god. These are the things that I had to eat.
Oh, and mayo. Yeah, you had to eat these. But these are alive.
Holy crap.
And these are alive.
That is so fucking gnarly. Oh my god. Serious, honey.
I know, I'm sure.
Holy shit, that's so scary.
I know, that's